Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. In this video, I will be installing a new clutch kit by Tusk. It's for my bike, even though it shows like just a generic clutch on the front. It's the actual clutch for my bike. Bike's actually slipping really bad. But yeah, we got new fiber pads and the steel plates. And then I got some Motul 10W50, which is actually recommended for my bike. So, a little rundown. Rebuilt the bike, all that jazz, everything was fine. Started noticing some like lag in power when I'm clutching up for wheelies, because that's pretty much what I built this bike for. I wanted it to be a street legal stunt bike. So yeah, after a while clutching up, it just started slipping more and more to the point it wouldn't come up third. Then it was hesitant coming up second, and then I was even getting some trouble powering up first gear, like doing knee knockers. It was insane. So I was like, you know what? Gotta get a clutch, gotta get it soon. I just rode it back from work, so she's nice and warm. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything prepped up. So I'm gonna get these fiber plates in oil. And then I'm gonna get the oil in the bike drained completely. This is gonna be the final oil change because she was still technically in break-in mode. But now I'm gonna drain her. We're getting all our new filters. I got some stainless steel filters I want to put in, and some actual good oil. And we'll see the performance difference and how things work out. But yeah, let's get into the video. All right, guys, as you just saw, we got the oil drained. We got the clutch pulled out. As you can see, the back, these steel plates, they've definitely been through it. Some of them are like blue and purpley from being extremely hot. So I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Clutch was burnt out. Time for a new one. New clutch is soaking in the Motul. I'm gonna be changing out the stainless steel air filters, the stainless steel oil filters for the paper ones. I mean, KTM recommends these, but I'd rather use the stainless steel where every oil change, I just gotta clean them, spray them down with some brake cleaner or something, let them dry out, pop it back in, just like what these oil filters are as well, stainless steel. I'll have the whole shebang down there. So yeah, we're gonna get it swapped out. Hopefully the clutch was the problem. I'm going to look into spec, measure these steel plates, and see if they were out of spec, and that's why. Either way, she's getting a brand new clutch, and we're gonna be able to test drive her tomorrow and see how she performs. Because I've only been riding this bike for about a month since she's been rebuilt. So if the clutch is out, like completely out like that within a month, I definitely wasn't ever feeling this bike's full potential. So now I'm actually going to feel this bike's full potential. I got the carb adjusted somewhat. It was idling a little high. I brought the idle down. Now it doesn't try to pull off in first gear. But yeah, she should be running like a champ, and definitely more torquey from the bottom end, more pull. I'll probably be able to have more controlled, consistent wheelies, understanding my clutch a little better now that she'll be brand new with the fresh oil. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to assembling this girl, and yeah, we'll have a startup and a test ride. All right, guys, quick tip when installing a new clutch pack, make sure you take these out in order. All right, you know, I don't know if yours is going to start with a fiber on top or a steel on top. These ones, oddly, it starts with a steel on top and finishes with a steel on the bottom, which I felt was weird, but that's the way it's done, so that's the way I'm doing it. I'm going to put it in, just straight from the top and keep going and keep going. You'll see it in the time lapse, but just make sure you're putting it on in the same orientation it's coming off at. You don't want to mix it up, because that could be the last puzzle piece to your clutch engaging or not engaging at all. So pay attention to how it comes off, put it back on the same way. Thank you. Alright guys, got the oil put in. Everything's all bolted up. I'm gonna test her for leaks, get the oil circulating so I can make sure I'm at the right level. And yeah. Alrighty, and then tomorrow will be the test run. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, leave that in the comment section. If you are new to the channel, think about clicking that subscribe button and scrolling through the videos, seeing what you like. I mean, it's mainly bike stuff now, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.